The risks of popping a boil at home.
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be diving deep into the potential risks and side effects of popping a boil on your own. A boil, which is essentially a skin infection, might seem like a simple enough problem to tackle. However, there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's unpack the dangers of DIY boil popping.
What exactly is a boil?
A boil is a red, painful lump that develops under the skin, often caused by an infected hair follicle. It's filled with pus, which is a mixture of bacteria, dead skin cells, and white blood cells. Boils can appear anywhere on the body, but they're most common on the face, neck, armpits, buttocks, and thighs.
Why might you be tempted to pop it?
It's natural to want to pop a boil, especially if it's causing discomfort or embarrassment. Popping it might seem like a quick solution to alleviate pain or speed up healing. However, this action can lead to numerous complications.
What are the potential risks of popping a boil?
Infection spread. Popping a boil can cause the bacteria within it to spread to other areas, leading to more boils or a more severe skin infection. Scarring. Breaking the skin can lead to permanent scars once the boil heals. Incomplete draining. It's easy to think you've drained a boil completely when popping it, but there might still be some pus left inside. This leftover pus can cause the boil to come back. Bacteria entering the bloodstream. If done improperly, you might push the bacteria deeper into your skin, potentially causing it to enter the bloodstream. This can lead to sepsis, a life-threatening condition. Worsening pain. Popping might increase pain due to irritation and inflammation.
What's the safe way to deal with a boil?
If you're dealing with a boil, consult a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance on whether it needs to be drained and can do so in a sterile environment to reduce risks. Remember, it's always best to err on the side of caution when it comes to your health. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this information has highlighted the importance of approaching boils with care. Remember, while it might be tempting to pop a boil at home, the risks often outweigh the benefits. Stay safe and always seek medical advice for skin concerns.